Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm pairing my plants. So in this container, it will be kale, chives, thyme, spinach, lettuce, and I'm not sure exactly what this is because I ripped off the name, but it's going in there, okay? In this container, it will be the cauliflower, okay? In my little tower here, it will be peppers. I had to move them around. Peppers and eggplant, okay? And I'm thinking about getting some beans or some peas or something to maybe kind of help, to utilize more, okay? In this container, it will be squash and radishes. This container, of course, I'm going to move the soda light. It's going to be watermelon, squash, and dill. And this crate is going to be tomato and basil. And in this crate is going to be tomato and onions. And in this crate is going to be corn and cucumber. I also plan on sprinkling parsley with the tomatoes and onions. And I plan on sprinkling parsley with some of the pepper plants with the tower. And then it's going to also grow on its own. So it's going to grow on its own. And I plan on also having a pot on the my patio table, so that way, I can have some other with some basil. Because I noticed, where's my basil at? But anyway, listen. So I'm gonna have basil too. But I just don't know where it's at this moment. And if anything else change, I would definitely give an update. And thanks for watching, and have a great day.